Replace the left idler wheel. Shut down and unplug the power cord. Loosen the adjustment screw to release the belt tension. Pull the belt out a bit. And then tighten the screw. Remove the purge wiper. Use wire cutters to remove surface yellow adhesive. Use a wrench to push out the locking nut and remove the old idler wheel. Install the new idler wheel. Insert the wrench through the idler wheel. Place the locking nut and assist its passage through. Install the purge wiper. Loosen the adjustment screw to check if the hotend slides smoothly, then retighten the screw. Replace the right idler wheel. Loosen the adjustment screw to release the belt tension. Pull the belt out a bit. And then tighten the screw. Remove the X-axis motor cover. Disconnect the wiring. Unscrew the two screws securing the X-axis motor cover. Gently push the cover to the right, remove the cover, and remove the screws. Unscrew the left and right screws, then remove the X-axis assembly. Unscrew two screws to detach the X-axis right end cover. Use wire cutters to remove surface adhesive. Use a wrench to push out the locking nut and remove the old idler wheel. Install the new idler wheel. Insert the wrench through the idler wheel. place the locking nut and assist its passage through. Install the X-axis right end cover and tighten the 2 screws. Secure the wiring harness into the cable channel. Install the X-axis assembly. First screw in the screws on both sides. Do not tighten completely. Move the X-axis to the topmost position. Tighten the screws on both sides. Install the X-axis motor cover. Align the clip at the bottom with its slot and snap into place as needed. Plug in 4 wires. Install the cover plate. Loosen the adjustment screw to check if the hotend slides smoothly, then retighten the screw. Self-check. Plug in the power cord and turn it on. Click Settings, Self-check. Input shaping, auto leveling, start detection. Wait for the machine self-check to complete.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.